Basic versus advance. I made a major mistake. I blew it. I'm totally exhausted. I'm beat. I'm stuck in a difficult situation. I'm in a jam. I can't decide. I'm on the fence. I lost focus for a moment. I zoned out. I'm in trouble. I'm in hot water. I'm thrilled. I'm over the moon. I have no chance. I'm out of luck. I'm unaware of what's going on. I'm out of the loop. I'm feeling sad. I'm feeling blue. I'm in trouble with someone. I'm in the doghouse. I'm laughing uncontrollably. I'm in stitches. I'm feeling anxious. I'm on pins and needles. I haven't kept up with things. I'm out of touch. I'm feeling fantastic. I'm feeling on top of the world. I'm not feeling well. I'm feeling rough. I'm feeling like a fish out of water. I'm feeling out of place. I'm alert and focused. I'm on the ball. I forgot what I was saying. Sorry, I spaced out. I'm stuck in a routine. I'm in a rut. I'm feeling disappointed. I'm feeling bummed. I'm in a difficult situation. I'm in a pickle. I'm in trouble. I'm in deep water. I'm excited. I'm feeling pumped. I'm in a situation I can't handle. I'm out of my depth. I'm feeling tense. I'm feeling on edge. I don't know what's going on. I'm in the dark. I'm extremely happy. I'm on cloud 9. I'm not feeling well. I'm feeling under the weather. I'm not qualified for this. I'm out of my league. I'm not myself today. I'm feeling out of sorts. I'm in a difficult situation. I'm in a bind. I'm feeling down. I'm feeling low. I am fit and healthy. I'm fit as a fiddle. Text me. Hit me up. I forgot the point I was making. I had a lapse in memory. You are so beautiful. You are drop-dead gorgeous. I'm energetic. I'm a go-getter. I don't like parties. I'm a party pooper. I lack confidence. I'm a wimp. I worry a lot. I'm a worrywart. I don't like spending money. I'm a cheapskate.